Hey there, CJ Math students. I'm going to help you out with homework 10.2 tonight, coordinate grids and slope. So remember, for a coordinate, you must move left or right first. All right, so left being negative, right being positive, and then down or up, with up being positive and down being negative. All right, so got to move left or right, then up or down. So basically what we're going to do here, so slowly but surely going to figure this out. So 6, 3. I'm going to move 6 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 spaces up. 1, 2, 3. So 6, 3 is right here. So I'd label 6, 3. And I'll say that's I, and then I'll put I right there. Let's skip to negative 4, 6. Negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and then 6 spaces up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll label it negative 4, 6. Please label all these points. And then I'll put E right there. Let's go to something like negative 5, 0. That means move left 5 times, move up or down 0 times. So negative 5, 0. That's R. Something like 7, negative 2. That's 7 spaces to the right and 2 spaces down. That's E. 7, negative 2. E. Right? I'll do maybe 3 more. Let's go 1, negative 1. That's 1 space right, 1 space down. 1, negative 1. That's S. Negative 3, negative 8. So 3 spaces to the left and 8 spaces down. That's A. Negative 3, negative 8. Right? And one more. I'll do this one. 1, negative 6. So 1 right, 6 down. That's B. 1, negative 6. B. Okay, you're responsible for doing the rest and figuring out that riddle. On the back side, then, we just have some more slope problems, which we should be very familiar with by now. That's y2, negative 1 minus y1 over 8, and then 8 minus 13. Plus negative. We get negative 9 over negative 5, which is a positive 9 over 5. And so C is your answer. Number 3, again, start off by labeling and then actually show the work. Negative 2 minus negative 9 over negative 6 minus negative 6. So plus positive gives you 7 over plus positive 0. 7 over 0. Any number over 0 is going to give you an error, or aka undefined, right? This is saying go from a point, go up 7 spaces, and then don't go left or right at all. You're just going to get this straight vertical line. So that's undefined, right? Another one, x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 4 minus 12 over 15 minus negative 9. So plus negative plus positive. That gives you negative 16 over, looks like 24. We'll divide both by 8. And we get negative 2 over 3, so B. All right. And then here, these dots represent the points. So the first thing you have to do is actually label the points. So 1, 2, negative 2, down 2. So you got negative 2, negative 2, and right 2, 1, 2, and down 1. So 2, negative 1. So I, again, write these points out here. Label them x1, y1, x2, y2, and then say, all right, negative 2 minus negative 1 over, so I did y1 this time, so I need to start with negative 2 this time. Negative 2 minus 2. All right, so plus positive plus negative, we get negative 1 over negative 4. Negative and negative gives you positive 1/4, so C. You could have also said right off the bat, if you read this left to right, hey, there's no way it can be A or D because this is a positive sloping line. On number 8, there's no way it can be A or C because this is a negative sloping line. All right, so that's it. Again, make sure you label these points correctly. So moving 1 up 2, moving right 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so 3, negative 4, and 1, 2. And find the slope. Call me if you have questions.